Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Today our topic is how to make money on Instagram, tips for 2021, but hope so now it's for 2022. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribed our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. How to make money on Instagram. Want to know how to make money on Instagram? There are more ways than one. Creators go where 1 minute. Creators go where money flows, and with money flowing in abundance from competitors creator funds, with an increasing number of creators shifting from sponsored content to audience monetization. Right now there are 4 primary ways to make money on Instagram. Work as influencer to post content sponsored by brands. Be an affiliate marketer selling other people's products. Earn money from your content through tips and ads. Become an entrepreneur and sell your own products. Table of content. Can you make money on Instagram? How to make money on Instagram? How much money can you make on Instagram? Tips for earning money on Instagram. So first point is, yes, in fact, helping creators make a living on the platform is a top priority for Instagram. Our goal is to be the best platform for creators like you to make a living. Said Facebook and Instagram stop boss at the company's first ever Creator Week in June 2021. Sponsored content and affiliate marketing remains the top ways for creators to earn on the platform, where the company lags behind competitors. New direct monetization effort introduced in 2020 live badges allow followers to support creators during broadcast by purchasing herds. During Creator Week, the company unveiled a native affiliate tool, new creator shop option and bonuses for hitting milestones with badges and live sessions. Creator funds are not off the table either, but it's unlikely that Instagram will hand out cash as freely as YouTube. As far as the rate standardization goes, remain as the unwieldy as the wild. How much money you can on Instagram depends on your credentials, audience size, engagement strategy, hustle, and a dash of dumb luck. Here how much some creators and celebrities have reportedly cashed in: $250 to $300, $300, $750 to $1,000, $850, $8,500, and more than $1,015,000. Strategy 1: partner with a brand. Instagram is a creating marketplace, so Instagram is a marketplace to help brand and creators find each other. Eligible creators can continue to use monetization tool to Brand Collabs Manager. Brand Collabs Manager is available to Instagram creators in the US who have active business or creator accounts. Maximum 10,000 followers, maximum 100 plus hours of watch time on original videos and 1,000 combined engagement know history of content violation, figure out how to include the brands in a video you already planning. So affiliate marketing allows influencer to earn commission from the sales they inspire. Influencer interested in affiliate marketing can join affiliate networks such as CG Affiliate, Pepperism, ShareSale. Earn money from your content. Creators that have a built-in audience with content that deliver entertainment or informative value have an increasing number of ways to earn money on Instagram. IGTV ads. In May 2020, Instagram began sharing revenue on 15-second ads played on their IGTV videos. Creators that broadcast Instagram live video can earn tips from viewers in the form of hot badges. In addition to badges, Instagram is starting to reward creators for hitting specific Instagram live milestones, including live streak and timing by different counts similar. From photo filter to merch runway ready product lines, many creators do double duty on Instagram as entrepreneurs. In the past, those booking as a seller their products or services on the app could either go the link in bio route or open for their brands. Soon creators will be able to open Instagram shops for their personal creator accounts as well as have access to product launch tool among their other features. Authenticity is key. Branded content is the economic engine behind the creator ecosystem in a front of ways. The best piece of advice I have for creators is to genuinely love the content you are putting out there. Audience will feel that. Build trust with transparency. Follow ad regulations. Sponsor this year. Instagram will start testing a native affiliate tool with creator in the United States and group of brands that includes benefits. Creators that have a built-in audience with content that delivers entertainment or information value have an increasing number of ways to earn money on Instagram. So guys, this is the ways that you earn from Instagram online. So for another information you can visit this page and get help with online earning. So guys, hope you will enjoy this video. So subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Stay blessed. Goodbye.